Hey there, future consultant. So you've decided to take the plunge and start your own consulting business. That's fantastic. Let's talk about some steps to get you there and sprinkle in some intriguing statistics to keep you motivated. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. First up, determine your niche. Around 20% of consultants fail in their first year. Many times, it's because they haven't established a clear niche. Are you going to offer marketing consulting? Or perhaps finance? Maybe you're into IT. Knowing your expertise is the first step. Next, create a business plan. Did you know that businesses with a plan are twice as likely to succeed than those without? It doesn't have to be complicated. Jot down your goals, the services you'll offer, and how much you plan to charge. Networking is crucial. Over 60% of consultants say that networking has been vital in acquiring new clients. So get out there, meet people, attend events, or even just start with your LinkedIn network. Pricing can be a challenge for many new consultants. Instead of pulling a number out of thin air, research what others in your industry charge. And remember, it's okay to start a bit lower, but be ready to scale as your experience grows. Also, think about your online presence. Around 85% of consumers do online research before making a decision. So ensure you have a professional website and maybe even some content like blogs or videos showcasing your expertise. Don't forget about the logistics. Register your business, consider getting insurance, and maybe even hire an accountant. These might seem like small steps, but they'll save you big headaches in the long run. To set up your consulting business with ease, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to call our business formation experts at 877-955-7111. Also, which state will you operate your new business? Drop a comment below and let us know your plans for the future. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.